Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. This is a VEVOR tool set, Workbench. So there's a lot to it. Are you supposed to be on the table? Get over here. No, get down. Get down.
No. Yes.
Okay. So let's open this up. Take a look.
What?
And it does take 2 AA batteries. So that's probably for the wrench that's in there. Tools. You want to do it? Pull it up. There's a lot to this. Okay, so I don't know if a bag came open during shipping, but it looks like a lot of these bolts and stuff came loose. You get some stickers. This is your instruction manual. So it goes over your parts list. What do you think? Okay.
Water. Oh, that.
Okay. So let's start the assembly, which is going to be, looks like these parts. So it's going to be these 2 legs, that leg, then that leg. Then it's got a tray. Looks like this goes in. And here, I guess you can set it so it's on a little bit of an angle to make things easier to spot, because that's how the picture's showing it. Like that. So you're going to be looking for this bolt, this nut rather, to go onto this bolt here. Here's the stool. It has these legs. Try not to drop everything on the floor. And do you see another one of these? Oh, here.
Chair.
Okay, so that's your stool or your chair, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. Put that over there. And then you're going to have a lot of parts fall on the floor. Just kind of a heads up. All right, so looks like this goes on top like this. Lined up like that. Lined up like that. And then we need some more. Need some more of these nuts. Oh, you know, that's a better tool for that. Ha ha ha. Back. And that kind of, oh, bless you. That goes down like that. Pretty cool. There's got some accessory shelves that go off on this side.
Whoa.
Whoa. I guess these go in like this. Okay. Then again, you have these bolts. So that is a little tight on the inside there. But that's another place to put some trays. And if you hear a racket on the floor, that is our cats having a lot of fun with all the parts that have, yeah, it's Kitty. All the parts that have fallen onto the floor. And we'll tighten that up like that. So that's that tray. And here's some work pieces. Go here on the side. You want to put that one over there? See where it goes? I think, see this part? It goes like that. Drill. And battery compartment's here. Let's open that up and put the batteries in. And we may as well use the bench, so we have it. And it's a small...
Chuck? Big?
Yeah.
Big chuck. Big chuck. Big chuck.
So this takes 2 AA batteries. Go in there. Put that compartment back on. Put that little screwdriver in there. And then that is your drill, your impact gun. I think this goes in here like this. There should be a bolt and a screw that holds that into place. So that kind of gives you a look at it all the way around. And let's put some stickers on. Then I think we'll be ready for him to start doing construction. Okay, so this is basically stickered and assembled. And the stool's together, and look for this strip. I already took the little rubber pieces off, but there's little rubber stickers that go onto the bottom of the stool to make sure that that doesn't slip out from your little one. And we built this truck together really quick.
Ooh.
Yeah. So it's pretty neat. So let me show you how to put the tractor together because that was a little tricky.
Tractor.
Yeah. Here. Let me put together. So first is you have your. You want to do the wheels first? Okay, we can do the wheels first.
Truck.
Yep. Grab a bolt. No, we need a bolt.
This one.
Yep. Put it in there. Okay. So, Yep. There you go. You ready?
See?
Yep. That way. Right. Oh, you don't want to do it? Okay. So, basically, put that on. I think I had it cross-threaded. So, pretty good. Put another wheel there. Okay, another bolt. And some of these little plastic pieces, I noticed they had those like little plastic burrs on them. So the first time it may be a little sticky to get it going. Okay. All right, let's get 2 more wheels. Okay, good. Another wheel. All right, we'll do that one first. Okay. And again. Empty. Do we have another? You have another tire? You have another tire? Yeah. Where's another tire? Got that tire. Okay. Bolt.
What?
Bolt.
Truck.
Yep. And you do have a manual screwdriver, which, if they have trouble pushing a button on the power tool, start off with, so you can get this started. I give you so you can use a manual screwdriver. So that's good. Okay, and then the back part of this, that piece goes there. Then you're looking for this little green piece, and that basically will sit like that. Got to put a bolt there. You want to do it with the screwdriver? Go ahead. Good job.
Tractor.
Turn, turn, turn. Keep going. Excellent. Good deal. And then this cab goes this way. And then this is the little top part. So you put a screw in there. Let's show everybody.
Turn, turn.
Turn, turn. Yep.
Turn, turn.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Turn, turn.
Turn, turn. You're doing a great job. Good job. All right. So that is how your tractor goes together, just in case you need some little help with that. Pretty cool? Okay. And then, I mean, you have so many pieces and things that you can do on here. And then this is this little gear thing. And pretty neat. All these holes are threaded, so you don't have to worry about putting a nut on the back of it. But, I mean, hours of fun, hours of just taking stuff apart, and you got plenty of pieces. But anyway, pretty cool? All done. Anyway, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.
Turn.